Are you searching for the perfect winter escape? Look no further. We're about to embark on a journey through the most enchanting winter travel ideas for 2024. From picturesque snow-covered landscapes to thrilling adventures, we've curated the ultimate winter travel guide just for you. So grab your winter gear and prepare to discover the extraordinary destinations waiting to be unveiled this winter season. First, imagine the breathtaking snow-clad mountains of Switzerland. Envision yourself skiing or snowboarding down the pristine slopes of the Swiss Alps, with stunning panoramic views surrounding you. The crisp alpine air, the thrill of the descent, and the beauty of the winter landscape create an unforgettable experience. Next, we journey to Lapland, Finland. This is the official home of Santa Claus, a true winter wonderland. Here, you can embark on a reindeer sleigh ride through snow-covered forests, witness the mesmerizing northern lights, and enjoy traditional Finnish sauna sessions. It's a place where the magic of the holiday season lasts all winter long. For the adventure seekers, Canada is waiting. Here, you can experience the thrill of dog sledding through the pristine wilderness. The rush of the wind, the excitement of the dogs, and the stunning winter landscape make this a must-have experience. Iceland, our next destination, is a winter wonderland like no other. Here you can witness jaw-dropping natural phenomena, from geysers erupting against the snowy backdrop to the stunning spectacle of the northern lights. It's a place where nature's power and beauty are on full display. Finally, we find ourselves in the snowy paradise of Japan. Here you can experience the magic of winter in true Japanese style, from soaking in outdoor onsens while snow falls gently around you, to walking through beautifully illuminated winter festivals. Japan offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. That concludes our thrilling journey through these amazing winter travel ideas for 2024. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or cultural experiences, these destinations offer something magical. Embrace the winter season by exploring snowy landscapes, engaging in seasonal activities, and creating unforgettable memories. So, what's holding you back? Start planning your winter getaway now and make 2024 an extraordinary year of winter travel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content and support. We'd love to hear your thoughts and destination ideas in the comments. Until next time, safe travels.